So Syenta is specifically focusing on advanced packaging or high-resolution interconnects, and there's two big challenges that are associated with this field that are kind of related to the current processes. One is around resolution, or actually the bandwidth density on a package. So current processes are quite limited physically as to how high resolution can they be. And the second part of that equation is also the package size. So what we do is essentially increase the resolution and increase the package size. We're not reticle limited, which allows to eliminate things like stitching. And that really improves the bandwidth density and solves one of the biggest challenges in AI hardware today, which is called the memory AI wall. Now, the second challenge that is associated with the current processes is around speed. And complexity. Current processes, they're quite complex. They obviously require massive amounts of investment and time to build a chip. What we do is we eliminate parts of the existing process. We replace them with our additive method, which enables you to get to a product much faster, eliminates a lot of the energy that is associated with the manufacturing process, a lot of waste, and time. In this industry, when it comes to building chips, you really can use any advantage you get. And if you can build a chip much more efficiently and faster, that gives you the ultimate advantage. Funding and talent, those are the two key elements that you need to have. As a startup, your focus is important. And in order to focus on an area, you really need enough talent who has the right expertise. So in our field, there's thousands of people around the world who really specialize in advanced packaging and know the current limitations and opportunities. So that is something that I think we need to focus on, especially in Europe, building more engineers with the right skills in the STEM fields. And in terms of funding, I think many of the other participants might have covered it. The scale of funding is very hard to come by, especially for hardware and deep tech. I think it's changing now, which is quite exciting. Slowly we're running into limitations of software, especially with AI being so disruptive. It's never been as easy to build a software product. It's very different in hardware. And semicon is probably one of the hardest to replicate. So that means that ultimately, there's probably going to be more funding available. But right now, when it comes to scale up funding, Series A, Series B, Series C, it's really challenging.